Hello, my name is Olivier Carnal. I'm the general manager of Essemtec. Essemtec with its headquarters in Asch, Switzerland, and its subsidiaries in the US, in France, Germany, Poland, and worldwide presence. Essemtec is producing pick-and-place and dispensing machines for NPI, but also for a mid-range serial production. And we are on the market for more than 30 years. What I would like to show you here at the SMT Connect 2024 are our novelties, and which are catching the attention of our customers. Let's go to your right. What you see here is our Tarantula underfill, a machine dedicated to underfill processes. What you cannot find on the market is a machine which can deal with very large substrates and is really dedicated to this underfill process. Underfill is used whenever the components are in very harsh environments, in space, also medical applications and defense. What we present here is underfill heating with blowers, which can be adapted to the board size. And we have our typical Essemtec user interface, very user-friendly, very intuitive, but dedicated to underfill so that you can decide how to apply the material for these large components like VGAs. Let's go to the next one. Here we are at the Puma. On this Puma machine, we show two novelties. One is the high-speed jetting. Normally, customers come from solder paste screen printing, and they are not convinced that by jetting and dispensing, they can achieve the same speed. And this is our bet. We can prove that we are close to the same speed. And what we're doing here is we jet small droplets of solder paste onto the substrate, and we don't stop wherever we want to put the dot, but we do it on the fly. So we have to calculate when to release the droplet so that it falls on the substrate at the right location. We can reach 180,000 dots per hour, which is very impressive. The second novelty that you see here on this Puma is this inline inspection. We have added two inspection systems. One is the solder paste inspection before putting the component onto the solder paste. And the second is the inspection after placing. So you can combine solder paste application, pick and place, AOI and SPI all in one machine, which is, in my view, a revolution. One of the big challenges in today's electronics manufacturing is that the components are getting larger and more expensive. So we're talking about BGAs with more than 1,000 balls. The probability that such a component is tested bad in electronic manufacturing is quite high. So you would like to have a solution to rework those expensive components. Up to now, this is a manual process. You screen print flux and you put the balls through a sieve. What you see here is the first automated reballing process in the world, shown on this Fox. The machine dispenses small flux points wherever needed, and then the machine goes and picks balls out of a tape and places them onto the substrate in several thousands in quantities. So it's either leaded or unleaded balls between 250 and 900 micrometer size. And what this also means is that the yield goes up dramatically. So for us, this is our contribution, Essemtec's contribution to sustainable electronic manufacturing. We have two focus topics this year. One is innovation. I hope that I was able to show you the innovations of Essemtec. And the second focus topic is international presence, not just by Essemtec itself, but also with our partners. So very happy to announce our collaborations with DKSH in Far East and SMTO. Both those partners have a long-term experience in the market, a good network, but also technical experience. Building up those relations also means that the general manager has to be there on site. So I traveled several times to Mexico this year. I probably I've never eaten as many fajitas as this year, but unfortunately my Spanish did not improve the same. If I have caught your attention, if Essemtec has caught your attention, please visit us, either in Switzerland or through our partners. We would be more than happy to show our capabilities with your products on your substrates, and give us a call or visit us on our website. Thank you very much.